go.
Here we go.
For the first round. In blue is Kyrgyzstan's Belek. And in red, Yang. Oh, that's a huge right from Belek. A nice side kick by Yang. And we're looking at Kyrgyzstan having a perfect run for today.
Kyrgyzstan has 5 representatives.
And they have 4 wins already.
Will they continue the streak, or will Jihua Yang from Chinese Taipei be able to break that?
Yeah, and there goes the shot that I was really waiting for. And then as you can see, Jihua Yang crawling out of bounds. For those who just tuned in, welcome to First Asian Mixed Martial Arts Manila Open 2024. Live at Marriott Grand Ballroom here in the Philippines. Oh, he just got hit at the back, but
he was complaining.
It was illegal because it was a legal punch because it was a straight coming from the front.
Okay. Just a reminder from the referee to, throw better punches than that.
Okay. Oh, that was a catch. Caught the kick and went straight for a punch.
No.
And this is where the punch, the uniform is being used.
Yes.
Perfectly for a schoolyard brawl.
Yang was even trying to hold. Well, very good strategy right there for Jihua Yang.
Just go out of bounds for the reset. Every time I see a brawl like that, I...
4 камтуу боюнча Кыргызстандын лидеринен чексиздикти кошуп ал. 4 жумага болгону 500 сом. Максималдуу ылдамдыктагы чексиз интернет. Акысыз мессенджерлер менен социалдык тармактар. Wi-Fi'ды акысыз таратуу. Чексиз чалуулар. Жогорку сапаттагы 200дөн ашуун телеканал. Этно медиа онлайн кинотеатрын акысыз көрүү. Мой О тиркемесинен же Остор дүкөндөрүнүн акысыз есим. Барына чексиз.
I remember Don Fry from Pride.
Yes.
Look now, so they reset. Slow down with the pace. Okay, but Jihua Yang's ear might be still ringing from the punches earlier by Belek. Oh, he's timing those kicks with his own punches. Wow, there you go. A left and a right, a 1-2 by Belek. Just landing on Jihua Yang's.
He just, he was not even caring about whatever Jihua Yang was throwing at him.
Jihua Yang's lack of head movements.
Yes.
Yeah. Now Jihua Yang's just holding onto the uniform or the kimono of Belek.
Jihua Yang's punches are really not connecting here.
Yeah.
There we go, on connect.
He's just staying inside the pocket
Yes.
where Belek can just reach him easily.
Yeah. He's fighting like he has reach advantage here.
Correct. So now he's holding on to that kimono. All right. That was a good fight.
That was a good first round for both fighters had good moments there.
But Belek really landed those most significant fights. He had the takedown, as you can see. But it was out of bounds.
Yeah.
And that punch really was just looped all the way to the back. But so it wasn't really illegal. Like even in the there one that one set Jihua Yang down. As you can see, JC's just like really Belek's just really walking.
Or if he's still thinking of a solution, literally bring him outside and then reset.
Oh, there you
see. There you go.
That one is just finding its place on the face of Jihua Yang. Oh, wow, that was a good
Belek just throwing the more accurate strikes there.
a good body control there by Belek.
No point
And
though.
just let him stand back up. But you can see the smile on Ji Yang is enjoying
Yes.
the fight. I just want to see him more footwork.
Yes. It needs more
Yeah.
activity.
Correct. Because he's letting the 1-2 land there. See? He's just landing right there, being
And
a stationary target from Belek.
ABDыжапAROV has an answer for everything that
Yeah.
Ji Yang has pretty much thrown at him. Like that one.
Yeah. Because obviously Belek has the reach advantage.
Yes.
There, a good inside kick. Oh!
See?
You can
Ji
hear it all the way from here.
Ji Yang throws one, Belek answers back with 3 or 4.
And 3 strong punches.
Yes!
Oh, see, look at that. You can hear them.
Punches that are definitely meant to hurt Ji Yang.
Oh,
Inside leg kick.
there you go. And Ji Yang needs to be more active during this round if he wants to win or might be extend the fight. Oh!
Wow.
Wow, that shook the face of Ji Yang. But Belek is, he's just touching him.
Yes.
Just touching him, He was really going for a knockout, but the punches are strong. But, he's relaxed. He's just flowing into the punch. There you go. There you go. Oh, there. That clinch. Oh!
Oh, wow.
That was almost a good sweep by Ji Yang, but Belek stood back up.
And it seems like whatever whatever Belek is doing in this fight is pretty much to try to wear down Ji Yang, and then he's gonna go with his real game plan, which is probably to take him down and finish from there.
Because I think Belek thinks he's won the first round, so he's just trying to cruise.
Yeah, pace
this.
it out. Yes.
Yeah, because again, this is the first
Yeah.
day, JC.
Yes.
We don't know how many fights they'll have for tomorrow.
Yeah. And you really can't use up all that you have for the first day. There we go. End of the second round.
Yes, it's the end of the second round, and this might go to the judge's decision whether this will be the final round or if it will go to a sudden death. As you can see, they're both holding onto the kimono or the uniform, and a good sweep there by Ji Yang, but Belek was able to stand back up.
All right.
And your winner from Kyrgyzstan,
Good call there.
Belek.